Before viewing this video, please change your settings to 720p HD via the wheel in the bottom right-hand corner of your video. This will better enable you to see all aspects of the video. This is a quick introduction to EndNote Basic, which is also sometimes referred to as EndNote Online or EndNote Web. My name is Emily Wyant, and I'm a clinical reference librarian at East Tennessee State University's Quillen College of Medicine Library. EndNote Basic is a free web-based citation manager. Citation managers allow researchers to store lists of citations relevant to their projects and to export those citations, formatted in the appropriate citation style, directly into Word documents. Other citation managers that you may have heard of include Mendeley, Zotero, or RefWorks, which is also known as Flow. This tutorial is designed for ETSU students, faculty, and staff, specifically those in health science-related disciplines. It will cover how to sign up for an EndNote Basic account and how to use that account to manually enter and directly import citations, as well as how to transition citations from EndNote Basic to Microsoft Word. To sign up for EndNote Basic, go to the ETSU Medical Library website at www.etsu.edu/medlib. From the library homepage, select the Citation Management link from the Resources box at the bottom of the page. This will take you to a citation management page with instructions for creating an EndNote account. From here, select the first link for EndNote Basic, formerly EndNote Web. This will take you to the Web of Science database. In the upper right corner of the page, choose the Sign-In drop-down to register for a Web of Science account. Use your ETSU email address to register. This will also serve as your login information for your EndNote Basic account. Once you have registered, you should be signed into your account. Since you are currently in Web of Science, select the EndNote link at the top of the page. This will direct you into your EndNote Basic account. Collections of references in EndNote are commonly referred to as libraries. You can see here that my library has already been used, so mine will look a little different from yours. All the EndNote Basic libraries will have tabs for My References, Collect, Organize, Format, Match, Options, and Downloads. This tutorial will look at the My References, Collect, and Downloads tabs. Your My References tab will contain all of the citations that you have inserted into your EndNote library. You can see that I have already incorporated 4 citations. In order to insert more citations in my library, I must go to the Collect tab. Here you see 3 options for online search, new reference, and import references. The option we're going to explore today is the New Reference option. This allows you to insert a reference by hand. This is especially useful if you are citing something that might not be in a database, such as a conference poster or an interview. Use the Reference Type drop-down to choose your reference type, then fill in as many fields as you are able. The fields at the top are usually recommended. While this option is great in some scenarios, it is cumbersome and time-consuming to insert all of your citations by hand. That being said, I want to show you how to directly import citations into EndNote Basic from PubMed, as this is a function of EndNote that you will probably use most frequently. I've switched over to PubMed. You can see that I've performed a mesh search for the term vancomycin. Let's say that I want to move references 8, 9, and 12 from my search results into my EndNote library. In that case, I would go ahead and select the boxes next to references 8, 9, and 12, and I would scroll to the top and choose Send to Citation Manager. This is going to create an EndBib file. I'm in Firefox right now, so you'll see that my EndBib file downloaded up here in the upper right corner. Either way, it's going to be in your Downloads folder, so if you can't find your EndBib file, that's where it'll be. When I select my EndBib file, it should prompt me to choose a destination for my citations. I would like them to go to EndNote Online. You can see that my 3 references have successfully been exported into my EndNote Online library. I've switched back over to my EndNote Online library, and now you see that I have 7 references instead of 4. Now that we know how to import citations into our EndNote library, both manually and through PubMed, we can transition to using our citations in a Word document. If you go to the Downloads tab, you'll see several different download links. You will want to choose the appropriate Cite While You Write tool for your computer. In my case, this was the Windows plugin. Save the plugin and follow instructions from the EndNote plugin installer. This can take some time to download. Once downloaded, go to Microsoft Word. You should now have an EndNote tab within your Word document. This indicates that your Cite While You Write plugin is functioning correctly. Once your plugin is functioning, you may transition citations from your EndNote Basic library into your Word document. To do this, first make sure that you have selected your EndNote tab. Next, place your cursor where you would like your citation to go in your text. Then select Insert Citations. I'm going to search for the author Nichols, as I know a citation by this author is in my library. Now that I've found the citation, I'm going to insert it. You can see that the citation has shown up formatted in my document according to APA 6 style. A Works Cited or References page has also been created for me at the end of the document. I may do this for as many citations as is required for my paper. So I'll insert one more citation just to show you how the citations are going to organize themselves automatically. I'm going to search for an article by her, and I will insert it. So now you see that my citations have shown up appropriately in the Works Cited as well as in the document. If I want to change citation style, I can go to the drop-down menu at the top and choose Select Another Style. I have 2 styles in here because I've recently used both APA 6th and JAMA 10th. But if I choose Select Another Style, you'll see there are over 3,000 styles to choose from. I'm going to choose JAMA 10th. And you can see that my citations have been reformatted appropriately. Should I wish to remove any of these citations, I can go to Edit Citations in the EndNote tab and choose Remove Citation. So I'll remove the Nichols citation here. And now my work has been once again reformatted correctly. One last thing to note about the Cite While You Write plugin is that you must convert to plain text before submitting it to someone else or to a publication for review. Right now you can see gray highlighting behind citations when you click on them. This indicates that this is not a plain text document, as there is some background coding involved with communicating between your EndNote Basic library and your Word document. In order to sever this connection, go to Convert Citations in Bibliography and choose the Convert to Plain Text option. This will prompt you to save a plain text copy of your document to share with others. It will also retain a coded copy of your text for your own records. I recommend doing this once you have finished editing your document with EndNote. Now you see that I have one plain text document, and I have still retained my coded document. I hope this has given you a quick understanding of how to start using EndNote Basic. There are many other functions of EndNote Basic that I did not explore in this tutorial. However, if you are an ETSU student, staff, or faculty member and have questions about EndNote or a different type of citation management software, you're more than welcome to ask our library faculty and staff. You may contact us via email or phone at medref@etsu.edu or 423-439-6253. Thank you for watching and have a great day.